Hey everyone, welcome back to our Python Programs for Beginners series. In this video, we're going to learn how to print a string character by character in Python. In Python, a string is a sequence of characters enclosed in single or double quotes. Each character in a string has a position, or index, starting from 0. Printing each character one by one is a useful technique when you want to process or analyze a string in detail. For example, checking for specific characters, formatting, or just understanding how string indexing works. Let's understand this with an example. Take this string, Python. The characters in this string are P, Y, T, H, O, and N. If we want to print them one at a time, we need to go through the string, character by character, and print each one. Let us take another string, hello. The characters are H, E, L, L, and O. To print these characters individually, we need a loop that goes through the string one letter at a time. Now, let us write a Python program to print each character in a given string on a new line. We'll begin by asking the user to enter a string. We'll use the input function to read input string from the user. We'll store the user input in a variable called text. Now comes the main part, printing each character one by one. To do this, we'll use a for loop. We write, for character in text. Inside the loop, we'll use the print function to display the character. This loop goes through the string, from the first character to the last, and prints each one on a new line. Let us do a dry run of this logic. If the user enters the string, hello. In the first iteration, character is H, and we print it. In the second iteration, character is E, and we print it. In the third iteration, character is L, and we print it. In the fourth iteration, character is L, and we print it. In the fifth iteration, character is O, and we print it. Let's run the program. When the user enters a string, for example, hello, the program goes through each character in the string and prints it line by line. To summarize, in Python, you can print each character in a string using a for loop. The loop goes through the string one character at a time, and the print function displays each character on a separate line. If this video helped you understand how to print string characters one by one in Python, give it a like and subscribe for more beginner-friendly Python tutorials.